I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the only practical way for individuals to buy public land. While much public land is preserved for everyone, some specific parcels are occasionally available for purchase. This process is highly regulated and not as straightforward as buying private property. The most common and direct method involves participating in government-held auctions for land that agencies deem surplus or difficult to manage. Understanding this unique process is key to a successful acquisition. Federal entities, such as the Bureau of Land Management, or BLM, and state land departments, are the primary sellers of public land. They typically offer parcels that are isolated, difficult to manage, or no longer serve a specific public purpose. These sales are not frequent, and the land is often sold without improvements. Buyers should expect to purchase properties in their current condition, understanding all associated terms and conditions. The process usually begins with public announcements from the selling agency, often found on their websites or in local newspapers. Prospective buyers must register and meet specific eligibility requirements, such as being a U.S. citizen. The land is then sold through a competitive auction, where the highest qualified bid wins. If you are the successful bidder, you will have a limited period, typically 30 to 180 days, to finalize the payment and close the deal. Before making a purchase, it is crucial to conduct extensive due diligence. Research the property's zoning, ensure legal access, and investigate any potential environmental concerns. Be prepared for all associated costs, which can include surveys, appraisals, and closing fees. Always check for existing easements or restrictions that might affect your use of the land. Consulting with legal and real estate professionals specializing in government land sales is highly recommended to navigate this complex process successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.